Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Blue Guardian Futures account to Tradovate. So first of all, you need to come here on blueguardian.com. When you are here on this particular page, simply click on the option of Get Funded. Now over here, simply select the option of Futures. Then you need to select that particular account which you want to purchase. Now after selecting the account, you need to scroll down and click on the option of Start Challenge. So when you make the payment, you are going to get access to your account's credentials. So you need to click on the option of Tradovate and get the user ID and the password from the inside of your Blue Guardian's dashboard. So over here you will see the dashboard and your account over here. When you click on the option of credentials, you will find the user ID and the password. So once you have it, simply come here on tradovate.com, click on the option of login, then provide your username and your password and click on the option of login. Now over here, among the given trading modes, you need to simply select the option of start simulated trading, and this way you will get access to your Tradovate account which is associated with your Blue Guardian Futures account. So that's how basically you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.